This is demonstration. When you open your Kucoin wallet, the first thing you want to do is to go to assets to make sure that your money is there. The money that was deposited is there. So make sure it is on trading. That is showing you probably 99 or 100% on trading, not on main. But in case the money you are seeing is showing on main, what you have to do is to click on transfer. When you click on transfer, it will now show you this. So click on USDT, and then you will see transfer from main to trading. You understand? So you click all. This all you click now will show all of the coins that all of the US dollars that you have on your main account. So right now I don't have any amount on my main account, that's why you're seeing zero there. So if you click on all, then click confirm, it will move all the USD you have, US dollars you have in your main account to your trading account. So you see asset transferring complete. So now that we have all of our coin now on trading, so the next thing we want to do is to go back to markets. See market here. Go back to market. So when you click on market, it will bring up this thing here. So the next thing you do is to click on this search box here, this search icon, so that you can search out the coin that you want. So click here. When you click on it, then search for the coin. So we're going to use two examples here. We're going to use the first one, KCS. So it will come out KCS USDT. Click on it to bring up this market. Just go down and click on buy. Click on buy, then it will come up like this. So to make it easy for you, change this limit. Click on this limit and change it to market. Alright, so that it will be easy for you. So you click on it and change to market. Here should be showing the available amount in US dollars. So you can use half of the money in your wallet. You can just come here and click 50. So it will use half of the money in your wallet to buy this KCS coin. So after clicking on it, click on this buy. But I don't have any USDT, so let me use sell to explain it for you. So you click on it, click on buy, click on 50%, then click on your own should be showing buy KCS. So when I click on it, it will come up with this trading password. So I will input my trading password and then click done. So it will now buy 50. It will now buy KCS with 50% of the money in your account. So the same thing, after doing that, you just need to go back to market. Remember, market is down. Go back to market and search for the next coin, chill. Remember, the first one is KCS, the next one is now chill. So you see it here, chill/USDT. Click on it. You do the same thing. Click on buy. Start clicking on buy. You click on, make sure it is on market, and then click on 50% and click on buy chill. I'm not sure this time will bring up what's it called, if it will bring up for you to input your password, because you repeated it already before. So that's how to buy on Kucoin. If you finish doing that, you can come back to assets. When you come to asset, you will see all of the coin that you bought. So on this account, I only have KCS here. So you will see KCS and you will see chill if you've done it correctly. So that's how to buy from Kucoin. Thank you.